Hey everybody! Today I am going to show you how to get cheap stuff with these super easy Dollar General couponing deals for Saturday, March 13th. We're even going to pay 89 cents for toilet paper, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. Let's go! Okay, boys and girls, this first transaction is going to be an all digital deal. You're just going to want to make sure that you have the Ibotta app downloaded to your phone in order to complete this transaction. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, definitely check it out. It'll save you a ton of money. We have saved over $1,000 since we downloaded the app and started using it, which has been a little over a year now. So, that's an extra $1,000 in our pocket. So that's great. So go ahead and download that if you haven't. Our code to do so is DDASFMR, or you can find a link down in the description box below this video. That helps support this channel when you do that, so we really appreciate it. Pick up 2 Snickers bars. These are the 1.86 ounce bars for 95 cents a piece, so $1.90 for both. And you're going to have a 25-cent Ibotta rebate on each one, so 50 cents back on both of those. And these are a great little item to pick up, especially if you're building Easter baskets for anybody. Next, pick up 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner, 1 of each. These are $3 a piece, so $6 for both. And we're going to use this $3 digital coupon when you purchase 2, so essentially making them half price. Next, pick up 2 of the Febreze Light. These are their new product with the kind of see-through bottle here, and they've got the bamboo and the lavender, so these smell really, really great. These are also $3 a piece, so $6 for both. And we have a $3 digital coupon on these as well, again, making them basically half price. Now, for you cat lovers out there, we have a really great deal this week on Tidy Cat cat litter. These big bags are $5.50 each. The 20-pound bag, so you're essentially getting 2 20-pound bags here. So $5.50 each, so $11 for both bags. But we've got this buy one, get one free digital coupon. So again, making it like half price, taking a whole $5.50 off of this transaction. So that's really, really good savings. Last but not least, pick up a package of the Puffs tissues. These are $1.60, and we have a 75-cent digital coupon off of those. And last but not least, make sure you have your $5 off of 25 coupon clipped to your account. If you're going to use a digital coupon, just make sure that when you head up to the register, you put your phone number in after you've got all of your items scanned, and all of these coupons, including your 5 off of 25, should come off no problem. So this is a really super easy couponing deal that you can do. Very beginner friendly. So your subtotal for this first transaction is going to come to $26.50. But after all of those coupons, including your 5 off of 25, come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $8.85 plus tax for 9 items, or 97 cents each. Now remember, that's after all your coupons come off, but not your Ibotta rebate. So you'll leave the store paying about $9.35 plus tax, but then you'll submit your receipt to Ibotta, and they will take that extra 50 cents off for the Snickers bars that you purchased. So that will bring your total down to $8.85. There are so many good deals going on this week, you guys, that I highly recommend. If you don't have more than one account to go shopping on at Dollar General, I highly recommend making a second account, maybe with a partner's phone number, or maybe if your mom doesn't use her phone number for Dollar General or something like that, you can make a second account that way. Also, you can stock up on the 5 off of 25 paper coupons that you'll find at the bottom of your receipt. Just go in anytime during the week and purchase a pack of gum, and you'll get that 5 off 25 coupon, so you can do multiple transactions on Saturday. All right, who's ready for transaction number 2? We're going to start by picking up 1 of the Swiffer refills. You could get the dry or the wet, but I feel like we don't have coupons as often for the wet refills, so I'm stocking up on those while this coupon is available. These are $4.50 and we have a $2 digital coupon available. Now the coupon does say that it does not work on the wet version, but it actually scans for this item. So maybe that was just a misprint, but if you don't feel comfortable buying this item, you could always swap it out for something else. Next, pick up one of the Oral-B floss picks. These are the 75 count pack for $2.25, and we have a very nice $2 digital coupon this week, making this item just 25 cents. Next, you're going to pick up one of the packages of Tide Simply for $2.95. We have a $2 off digital coupon, making it just 95 cents. We also have a paper coupon for 2 Old Spice dry sprays, and David is actually out of his pretty much downstairs. I think we're down to like 2, so I need to stock up on these. So I'll definitely be doing these this deal this weekend. So pick up 2 of those. They're $5 a piece, so that's $10 toward your total. And you've got that buy one get one paper coupon from the, I think it's the March P&G. Or maybe it's the February P&G, one of the last P&G newspaper inserts. You can find that paper coupon. Last but not least, you're going to pick up 2 of the Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. These are $7, and we have a $4 off digital coupon. Again, make sure you have your 5 off of 25 coupon clipped, or you've got a paper version available. Now, if you're going to do the paper coupon, remember that on Saturdays when you go up to the register, have your items scanned. You're going to want to hand over your paper coupon before you do anything else. Then put your phone number in for the rest of your digital coupons to come off. We want to make sure that that $5 is deducted from the total before anything else, because you don't want to get under that 5 off of 25 threshold, right? So just make sure that you do hand over that paper coupon first. Your subtotal should be $26.70 for this second transaction. And after all of those coupons come off, your out-of-pocket cost is going to be just $6.70. Plus tax for 7 items or 95 cents each. So we're getting everything here for under 95 cents, which is just a crazy amount of savings. Okay, so for this last transaction, we're going to really get some good deals on some toilet paper, which is really expensive and hard to coupon for. So it's always exciting when we can get a good deal on it. We are going to use some instant savings in this transaction, but it's okay. We're going to keep it super easy. Again, these are beginner-friendly deals, so no worries. The only thing you have to consider when using instant savings is that you've got to add that amount to the total you want to hit. So always on Saturdays, we want to hit $25. We're going to use $3 off instant savings in this transaction. So we're going to need to hit $28. That's really it. That's all you need to worry about. So we're going to go ahead and go into it. You're going to start by picking up 3 Cottonelle toilet paper packs. These are $5 a piece. So we are going to spend $15 right there, and that's going to account for all the spending we need to do for our instant savings to come off. So the offer that Dollar General offers us is $3 of instant savings off of every $15 spent on Cottonelle products. So we're going to spend $15 on 3 packs of toilet paper. The 12 roll family packs, in case you need to know the size, and like I said, they're $5 a piece. So go ahead and pick up 3 of those. We have a $1 off digital coupon that we're going to use on 1 package of those. We have a $1 off digital coupon that we're going to use on 1 package of those, and you should have a $1 paper coupon from your latest Smart Source insert from the newspaper. So 1 package will get a digital coupon, 1 package will get a paper coupon. Now, if you're lucky enough to have more than 1 insert at your disposal, you could use a second $1 off paper coupon on the 3rd pack because those coupons have a limit of 2. Or if you don't have a second at your disposal, you could go to KimberlyClark.com, where they have a 55-cent paper coupon printable there that you can print out for this last pack. So you'd spend a little bit more. It's only a 55-center instead of a dollar coupon, but hey, every little bit helps. And of course, we're going to get that $3 off the $15 that we're spending. Next, pick up a pack of those Oral-B floss picks that we already talked about. Those are $2.25, and we have that $2 off digital coupon. Next, pick up a package of the Tide Simply for $2.95. Again, with that $2 off digital coupon. You're also going to want to pick up 2 of the Dial body wash. You could get the men's or the women's. There's a coupon for either one, but they're $4 a piece, so $8 for both. And we have a buy one get one free digital coupon. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the women's, but if you wanted to do the men's, there's a paper coupon available as well in the latest Smart Source that we got from this past weekend. So you're going to want to look in that insert for that paper coupon. So again, for this transaction, just 3 packs of toilet paper, 1 pack of the Oral-B floss picks, 1 Tide Simply, and 2 Dial body wash, and our subtotal is going to come to $28.20. And remember, that's what we needed to hit, right? Was that $28 threshold. Make sure you've got that 5 off of 25 clipped, or you've got your paper one available. And after all those coupons come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $9.20 plus tax for 7 items, or $1.31 each, which is already a great price for toilet paper. $1.31 for a 12-pack is amazing, but I'm going to make it even cheaper. I'm going to show you how you can do this deal slightly differently, and you can still even lower your total even more. Okay, for this next transaction that we're going to call transaction 3A or so, because it's basically the same one with just a couple of slight changes, we're going to pick up the exact same first items that we did last time. So 3 of those Cottonelle 12 roll packs, 1 of the Oral-B floss picks, and 1 of the Tide Simply. Those are going to stay the same. The changes are going to be, we're going to pick up 1 of the Safeguard hand soap. This is $3, and we have a $1.50 off digital coupon, essentially making it half price. We're also going to pick up 1 of the Bic razors. These are $3.30, and we have a $3 off digital coupon, making it just 30 cents. Last but not least, you're going to pick up 1 of the Airwick plugs. This is just the plug without any of the oil with it, and this is just to get our total down. It's kind of a filler item. Pick that up for $1.65. We've got a $1.50 off digital coupon that works on this, making that just 15 cents, which is awesome. And our subtotal for this transaction is going to come to $28.15. So again, make sure you have your 5 off 25 clipped or a paper version. You know how it goes. And your out-of-pocket cost for everything is going to be just $7.15 plus tax for 8 items, or 89 cents each. And 89 cents for a pack of toilet paper, a 12-pack even, is insane. That is insanity. I am insane right now because of this deal. That's crazy. $7.15 is like $2 more expensive than a single pack of toilet paper, and we got 7 other items. So that's really awesome.
There you have it. Those are the best deals of this week. I hope this video was helpful in showing you just how easy Dollar General couponing can actually be. If you learned anything helpful from this video, make sure to subscribe right now. Just hit the subscribe button down below this video. Also, which deal are you most excited about scoring this week? Is it the toilet paper? It's the toilet paper, isn't it? Let us know in the comments, and we will catch you next time.